So student will discuss trigonometry class 10 exercise 8.4. Question number 1, express the trigonometry ratio in sin A, cos A, tan A in terms of cot A. Sin A. Sin A, you can solve this in a different way. I can write like this by triangle, drawing the triangle, or you can solve in a by formula also. So sin A is root of sin square A, or you can write 1 minus cos square A root of, or you can write 1 minus 1 upon sec square A. So this is nothing but the sec square A minus 1 upon sec square A. Okay, for this you can write like this. And from this we know sec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So this is, you can write sec square minus A equal to cot square A. So we will write this is cot square A and this is sec square A. This is sec square is 1 plus cot square A. So this is sin A is equal to cot square A root of over 1 plus cot square A. Similarly, for sec square sec A you have to convert it into cot A. Sec A equal to root, you can write this same sec square A, and you know sec square A is equal to nothing but the root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay. The next term is tan A, and tan A is they are saying tan A is 1 upon cot A. You can write like this, or you can write 1 upon root of cot square A, or you can write this is 1 upon, this is simple 1 upon cot A. You need not to write, this one is the only thing. You need not to run this, write like this. This is 1 upon cot A. That's all. That's saying you have to write in the cot A form. Okay. The next question, they are saying write all trigonometric ratio angle A in terms of sec A. Okay. We have trigonometric ratio of sin A, cos A, tan A, okay, cosec A, then sec A, then cot A. So they are saying all you have to write in sec A term. So sin A is almost sin A, root of sin square A, you can write like this. So this is again root of 1 minus cos square A, because since sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. And from this you can write, so this is 1 over sec square A, because sec A and cos A are the reciprocal, cos A equal to 1 upon sec A, So this is nothing but the sec square A minus 1 over sec square A and under root. And this is sec square A minus 1 root of, and this is sec A. And similarly for cos A you can write, cos A is nothing but we know this is the cos A equal to nothing but the reciprocal of sec A. Then for tan A is what? Tan A equal to root of tan square A, you can write, and tan square A, this is, we know sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. So in this case this is sec square A minus 1. Then cosec A, in terms of cosec A, they are saying, cosec A equal to you know, this is 1 by sin A. You can write like this. So this is 1 upon root of sin square A. Again you can write, because root of sin square A means sin A only. So this is root of 1 over root of 1 minus cos square A, because sin square A cos square A equal to 1, as you know earlier, right? So here you can write how much this is 1 over 1 root of 1 minus 1 by sec square A. So this is how much again coming, this is sec square A LCM. So 1 over sec square A minus 1 over sec square A over root. So this is sec square root of sec square A. It will come to the numerator, and this will down with the sec square A minus 1. So this will be sec A over root of sec square A minus 1. Okay. Then now saying cot A. And for cot A, we know cot A equal to 1 upon 10A. You can write like this. And for 10A, we can write also root of 10 square A. So root of 10 square is nothing. We know sec square A equal to 1 plus 10 square A, or 10 square A equal to sec square A minus 1. So in this case, this will be sec square A minus 1. So the question is solved. Okay. Now question number 3. Evaluate sin square 63 plus sin square 27 plus cos square 17 and plus cos square 73. Now we check. We just see 63 and 27. 63 and 27 is nothing but the 90 degree. So these are all complementary angle. These terms are from complementary angle. And 17 plus 73, this is also 90. Okay. So also we know, remember the trigonometry ratio, you can refer my previous video. If a angle is theta here, so sine of this trigonometry ratio, sine theta, which will be equivalent to, and this is, if it is 90 degrees, so this is theta, so this is 90 minus theta. So sine theta, and this is cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta will be, the ratio will be same. We know sine theta equal to cos of 90 minus theta. Similarly, cos theta also sine of 90 minus theta. You refer my previous video, right? So this is for our case. So sine 63, we can write, this is cos of 90 minus 63. So this is cos of 27, right? Similarly, cos of 73 equal to sine of 90 minus 73. So this will be sine of 17 degree. So putting this value here, so sine 63 is nothing but the cos square 27, and this is sine square 27. And for this, cos square 17 plus cos 73, it is how much? It is nothing but the sine 17, so sine square 17. Okay. So this is cos square 27 plus sine square 27. Okay. Sine, if you take it as a theta, then you know sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here theta is only 27, so cos square 27 plus sin square 27. Also you can write 1. So this is 1 and this is also cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is also 1. So this is 2. Okay. Similarly, the same question they have given from the complementary angle, question number 2. They are saying, you see, just check. 25 plus 65 is 90. Then the same. So what you will do is any angle you convert it into 65 maybe to 25 degree. So cos 65 is nothing but the sine of 90 minus 65, and this is sine of 25 degree. Similarly, sine of 65 degree equal to cos of 90 minus 65 degree. So this will be cos of 25 degree. So putting this value here, this is sine 25 and cos 65 is again sine 25. Then cos 25 it is there, and sine 65 again cos 25. Okay. So this is nothing but the sine square 25 plus cos square 25. So this is 1, right? Okay. Next question, moving to next question. Next question they are saying next question is, choose the correct option, justify your answer. They have given the option, you have to solve this basically actually. So this is 9 sec square a and 9 tan square a. How will solve this? We will solve this. See, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. We know sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a, or you can write 1 plus tan square a, right? 1 plus tan square a. So here you just put 9 over whole into 1 plus tan square a minus 9 tan square a. So this is 9 plus 9 tan square a minus 9 tan square a. So this is plus 9 tan square a minus 9 tan square a. So this is 9 only. So this is the answer. Okay. And next is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta whole into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Okay. For this case, you can convert it into sin theta. It will be better, little better. Okay. So how you do? You have to. So just from here, 1 plus sin theta over cos theta. You know tan theta is this one, sin theta by cos theta. And sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, right? So this is all into, and this is 1 plus cot theta, you know, cos theta upon sin theta minus cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Okay. So from this we can see, so this is the same. So LCM is cos theta. So this is cos theta over this 1. So this is cos theta. So this is sin theta, and this is 1. And from this case, this is sin theta LCM, and this is sin theta. This is cos theta. This is minus, right? So now you see, this is cos theta sin theta the same. So cos theta plus sin theta, you can say like this, and this is again cos theta plus sin theta, you can write like this, minus 1, oh sorry, this is plus 1, this is minus 1 over cos theta sin theta. So this is, you can write like this. So this is, if you take this one a like this, and this is a, so a minus 1 whole, a plus 1 whole into a minus 1. A square minus b square formula you have remember, I think so. So this is cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square over cos theta sin theta. So this is cos square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta minus 1. 1 square is 1 over cos theta sin theta. So this is cos square theta plus sin square theta is how much? This is 1. And this is 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 over cos theta sin theta. So this is 1 plus 1 minus 1 neutralize. So this will remain only 2 cos theta sin theta over cos theta sin theta. So sin theta cos theta cut. The answer is only 2. So option is 2. Answer. So the third question, they are saying find out the value again sec a whole of tan a 1 minus sin a. So this is, let me do in the one form. This is sin, or this is 1 upon cos. So let it convert into sin and cos form. So this is 1 over cos a and this is sin a over cos a whole into 1 minus sin a. So in this case, what will happen? So 1 plus sin a, because this is the all denominator both the same, so LCM will be same. So sin a over cos a, then whole into 1 minus sin a. Okay. So this is how much? This is 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a over cos a, and this is 1 square minus sin square a. 1 square minus sin square a is nothing but this is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square a, so cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. So 1 square is 1, so 1 minus sin square a over this one's cos a over here. So sin square a over cos a. So cos square a over cos a. So this is cos a. 1 square will be equal, cut, neutralize only, answer will be cos a. And this is 1 tan square a plus 1 over cot square a. This is very simple. From formula only sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. Also cosec square a equal to 1 plus cot square a. So from this you can write here directly that this will be sec square a over cosec square a. So this is sec a over cosec a whole square, or you can write cosec a is nothing but the sin a, and sec a will be come down, this will be cos a, and this is whole square, so this is tan square a only. Okay. So student, next question is prove the following identities where the angle involved are acute angles for which expression is defined. So first question is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So from this LHS we can write cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So this is cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta, you know it, and this is cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. So this is whole square. So this is LCM is sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta, then sin theta whole square. So this is again nothing but the 1 minus cos theta whole square over upon sin square theta, and we know this is sin square theta is how much? This is again 1 minus cos square theta. because you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So here this is 1 minus cos theta whole square upon 1 minus cos theta a square minus b square 1 plus cos theta a square minus b square equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. So here, so this is 1 power is cut because this is 1 minus cos theta and this is 1 minus cos theta, this is okay, this will be remaining. So 1 minus cos theta upon this is okay, it will cut only by this. So 1 plus cos theta. So it is proved, right? So this is equal to RHS proved. Now next question. Next question is cos A plus 1 plus over 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A over cos A equal to 2 cos AK. Now let's check the LHS. Make a LCM. Simple from this. So this is 1 plus sin A, then into cos A. So this is 1 plus sin A already is the denominator here. So this will be cos A into cos A. So this will be cos square A plus this is cos A is denominator here. So only this will be multiplicative. 1 plus sin A, it is already there. So 1 plus sin A whole square. So what is happening here? So let it break it into 1 plus sin A whole square. So this is 1 square plus 2 sin A plus sin square A upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. So this is sin square A and cos square A. Rearrange this. Cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 square is 1. So 2 plus sin A, 2 sin A over 1 plus sin A whole into cos A. Correct? So this is nothing but the 1 because you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A whole into cos A. So this is 2 plus 2 sin A over 1 plus sin A whole into cos A. So this is equal to 2 common 1 plus sin A over 1 plus sin A whole into cos A. 1 plus sin A neutral. So this is 2 over cos A. So this is 2 sec A. You know cos A equal to 1 upon sec A or sec A equal to 1 upon cos A. Correct? So it is proved. Now question number 3. Let's the LHS. Directly we can go for this one. LCM. No, it should not be LCM directly. It will be get confused. Let it done this one fast. Tan theta you know sin theta upon cos theta, and this is again 1 minus cos theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, then plus again cot theta. So this is cos theta upon sin theta over 1 minus sin theta over cos theta. So this is sin theta over cos theta divided by this LCM is the sin theta here. So sin theta minus cos theta whole over sin theta, and this is cos theta by sin theta. Then LCM is cos theta for these two items. So this is cos theta minus sin theta over cos theta. Okay, so equal to sin theta over cos theta. Then this will be multiplicative, it will just revert, sin will be on the top, so sin theta over sin theta minus cos theta, and here cos theta over sin theta, and it will be cos theta will be on the top, this cos theta will be in the top, and bottom will be cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so this is sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, and this is cos square theta over sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so now take the common here, sin theta minus cos theta. Let the sign minus here. If you take the point, this is cos theta minus sin theta, this is sin theta minus cos theta, so make a minus sign over here, so this will be minus here and it will be plus here, plus sign, the sign will be interchanged, so we can take common. What is this? Sin theta, the both is now same, sin theta minus cos theta and whole into sin square theta over cos theta minus, this minus will be multiplication with this, so this will be minus, then cos square theta over sin theta. Now this is 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, then this is sin cube theta, LCM, LCM is cos theta sin theta, so cos theta is gain, so it is only sin theta into sin square theta, so sin cube theta, and this will be cos cube theta. So 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, then AQ minus BQ, you know the AQ minus BQ is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So here in our case sin theta minus cos theta and into this is multiplication into it is sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta and over this is cos theta sin theta. Let it do here, so this is rewrite again, 1 over sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, then whole into sin square theta plus AB sin theta cos theta, then plus cos square theta over sin theta cos theta, right? So this is sin theta cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta neutral, so it is coming sin square theta plus cos square theta, rearranging then it will be sin theta cos theta over sin theta cos theta. So sin theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, again you know it, 1 plus sin theta cos theta over sin theta cos theta. So this is nothing but by 1 over sin theta cos theta, then this is sin theta cos theta over sin theta cos theta, same. So this is cosec theta 1 upon sin theta, you know this is cosec theta, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So this is cut neutral, so this is 1. So it is proved again. Okay. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, so this question is, let's the LHS sin square theta sin square A minus over 1 minus cos A. So we know sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So here sin square A to be replaced, so sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So this is equal to 1 minus cos square A over 1 minus cos A. So this is A square minus B square equal to A plus B whole into A minus B. So this will be 1 plus cos A whole into 1 minus cos A over 1 minus cos A. So this is 1 minus cos A is neutral, so 1 plus cos A. So you can write cos A equal to 1 over sec A. I can write cos A equal to 1 over sec A. So this is sec A LCM plus 1 over sec A. Or you can write 1 plus sec A over sec A. Proved. So now the next question. Next question is, this is a little bit tricky, and they are saying you have to use this one cos square A, cosec square A equal to 1 plus cos square A. This identity you need to use. So we will just consider here, it is not here cos A sin A, so we will convert it into cosec A and cot A. So this is LHS equal to make it cot or cosec. What we'll do, we'll divide both sides sin, right? Let me divide both sides sin theta. Let divide both sides sin theta. So it will be here sin theta is cos A minus sin A plus 1 over divided by sin A, and this is cos A plus sin A minus 1, again I will divide it again also sin A. So what is happening here, we are getting here, this is nothing but the cos A over sin A minus sin A over sin A, then plus 1 over sin A, and whole over cos A over sin A plus sin A over sin A minus 1 over sin A. So this is cos by sin is the cot theta, this is cot A minus 1 plus cosec A, and here it is again cot A, and this is plus 1 because both the this one, so this is minus cosec A. Now you just check We need to find this one. This is the value of this. So remember, if it is the value, then there will be this sum will be solved. Somewhere the numerator will become this one. This is the clue. What does it mean? If the this fraction, this over this is equal to this, let multiply with this, keep it intact. It's a clue because it will come is the same. So what I will do is let it multiply with this one into cosec A plus cot A, then denominator also multiply with the same cosec A plus cot A. Numerator denominator multiply with the same because this cut neutral one, so it is the 1. So you can multiply with the denominator as well as with the numerator with the same quantity, right? Let it arrange this one. So I can write here, this is cot A plus cosec A minus 1 over, and this is multiplication, it is already there. Let it keep like this because answer will come only there. So we will not multiplication, we'll keep it intact, right? So in this case, what will happen? I will just give the rearrange. This is cosec A plus cot A. So I will cot again cosec A and minus this one. So cot A minus cosec A plus 1, then multiplied with the cosec A plus cot A. Okay, now do with this, this will coming cot A plus cosec A minus 1 over cot square A minus cosec square A plus 1 whole into, this will be cosec A plus cot A, and on the top it was cosec A, which we have earlier multiplied the both the term numerator and denominator, so it is the same. And you know cosec square A, the question already told us that you have to use the identity cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. So we will give the identity here cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A, putting this value. So cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1, or cot square A minus cosec square A equal to minus 1. So this is the minus 1. Let us put the value here. So cot A plus cosec A minus 1 into cosec A plus cot A, then this is minus 1 and this is multiplied the same, so this is cosec A plus cot A. So rearrange this one. So this is cot A plus cosec A minus 1 over, this is rearrange again, cot A plus cosec A minus 1, and top it was cosec A plus cot A. So this is the same quantity, you just cut it neutral it is. So it will be only remain cosec A plus cot A. So this is the RHS proved. This is the RHS, it was already proved, right? Actually trigonometry as particular type of problem, particular process will be solve you very quickly. So keep it practice, nothing else. Now this question is root of 1 plus sin A whole over 1 minus sin A to prove. Now let's check it is the LHS. is the root. So I need to first think how to neutralize this root 1. So what I will do is root over 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin A. Let it multiply this one, because we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So if I can get, so 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So from this we can get the root neutral. So I will multiply this. I will multiply this in the top also 1 plus sin A, and denominator also 1 plus sin A. So what will come here? So this is 1 plus sin A whole square, and bottom is 1 minus sin square A, because A plus B whole into A minus B equal to A square minus B square, right? And this is whole root. So this is 1 plus sin A whole square, so we can write this is 1 plus sin A, root is neutral, and this is cos square A. Cos square A is root, or you can write 1 plus sin A, and this is cos A. Root is neutral by the square now. So this is 1 plus cos A plus sin A by cos A. So this is sec A plus sin by cos, this is tan A. So this is the RHS proved, right? Correct? Next question is sin theta minus sin q theta over 2 cos q theta minus cos theta. Just you think here. So this is again, I will take the LHS first. So make it common on the top. For the numerator, I will take the common of sin theta. Both cases the sin theta is there. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta over cos common in the denominator, cos theta common. So this is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now sin theta by cos theta, you can say like this is tan theta. Then this one is 1 minus 2 sin square theta over 2 cos square theta minus 1. So what I will do is sin theta, and this is 1 minus sin square theta. I can write this is minus sin square theta minus sin square theta is the 2 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta, right? And in case of this one, I will write cos square theta plus cos square theta minus 1, right? Correct. So what is happening here? Tan theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is the cos square theta, nothing but the cos square theta, and this is sin square theta. And denominator is cos square theta minus 1. This is again cos square theta, and because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, so sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta minus 1, you can write minus sin square theta. Okay, so for this case, this is minus sin square theta, nothing but the minus sin square theta. Now you see, this is cos square denominator, numerator also cos square minus sin square theta, and denominator also cos square minus sin square theta. So both are getting neutral. So this is result is only tan theta. Okay, proved. Very good. So next question is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equal to 7 plus this. So LHS, let's prove this LHS first. Let's try. So this is, let it break. Just to think, sin A is A plus B whole square if you consider. So is A, this is A, this is B. So in case of 2AB, A plus B whole square, you know it. So square plus 2AB plus B square, right? So in case of our 2AB, this is AB. So cos sin A and cosec A will be neutral, because sin A equal to 1 upon cosec A, or cosec A equal to, you can say cosec A equal to 1 upon sin A. Similarly sec A equal to 1 upon cos A. So these will become neutral in case of 2AB, the quantity 2AB. So this is, let's break here. So sin square A plus 2 sin A cosec A plus cosec square A, and this term, second term is plus this term is cos square A plus 2 cos A sec A plus sec square A. Correct? Now rearrange this: sin square A cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A, and this is sin A cosec A is neutral, so sin A cos A is the 1. So this is plus 2, then rearrange again cosec square A plus sec square A, let it arrange together, and this is again neutral, so this is 2. Now sin square A plus cos square A again is the 1, so this is plus 2, and let it number all together, so this is again plus 2, so this is cosec square A and plus sec square A. And we know cosec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus cot square A, sorry, 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay, this is cosec is equal to 1 plus cot square A, sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. So this is 2 to 4 and 5, and this is cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A, and this is sec square equal to 1 plus tan square A. So this is again 2 number, so this is 5 plus 6 and 7, 5 plus 6 1 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Okay, or you can write 7 plus tan square A, rearranging, plus cot square A root. This is the RHS. Okay, so the question is solved now, right? So next question, this will be typically little bit typical. So what we'll do is we'll take it left hand side, and also hints was given simply by LHS and RHS separate. Let the LHS to break into a simpler form. So in this case what we'll do is I'll write cosec A. Again I am saying sin A equal to 1 by cosec A, or cosec A equal to 1 over sin A, reciprocal trigonometric function, you have know it, right? And sec A also 1 upon cos A. So here in case of this one, so this is 1 over sin A minus sin A, and whole into 1 over cos A. Sec A is the 1 over cos A minus cos A. Okay, this is the LHS we are doing, this is related intact. So this is 1 minus sin square A over sin A, and this is 1 minus cos square A, LCM. By doing LCM, you know this is 1, so LCM is sin A. So sin A, so this is 1 sin A, then sin A into sin A, sin square A. This is the same, right? So this is sin A cos A. So this is what? This is 1 minus sin square A equal to nothing but the cos square A, and this is multiplication with this same, and this is sin square A. 1 minus cos square A is nothing but the sin square A. Okay? So cos A sin A into cos A sin A, because this is square, so I'll write like this, so that you can make it neutral, cos A sin A cos A. Okay, so this is cos A and 1 sin A, 1 sin A neutral, so this becomes cos A and sin A. This is the left hand side simplest form. Now write at simplest form. RHS is 1 over tan A plus cot A. So this is 1 over sin theta sin A by cos A plus this is cos A by sin A. So this is how much? So LCM is the sin A cos A cos A 1 over this is sin square A, cos A is neutral and this is cos square A. So this is nothing but the 1 into this will be top, this will be denominator will come top, cos A over sin square A plus cos square A. Okay, so this is sin A and cos A because sin square A and cos square A is equal to 1. So right hand side equal to left hand side. If you don't understand, you can make me remark, I will make you clear again, no issue. Right? Go through the complete video. If you have don't any inquiry, any query, you can go with the concept video of trigonometry. You will get clear everything. So this is 3 terms. They are giving first term, second term, third term. They are saying they are equal each other. Now first term. Let's check what is the simplest form. This is 1 plus tan square A over 1 plus cot square A. It's the only trigonometric identity. We know this is 1 plus tan square A is nothing but the sec square A and 1 plus cot square A is nothing but the cos square A. So this you can write sec A over cosec A whole square, or you can write 1 over cos theta cos A and divided by 1 by sin A whole square. So this is nothing but the sin A will be on the top over cos A whole square. So this is nothing but the tan square A. Okay, then second term 1 minus tan A over 1 minus cot A whole square. So this is again do it like this, sin theta cos theta divided into sin and cos. So this is 1 by 1 minus sin A over cos A and this is 1 minus cos A over sin A and this is whole square. So this is LCM cos A minus sin A over cos A over this is again LCM. So sin A minus cos A over sin A. So this will be rewrite again because cos A this is cos A minus sin A over cos A and this was sin A minus cos A over sin A whole square it was. So let's solve. So this will be cos A minus sin A over cos A and this will be sin A over sin A minus cos A whole square. Now if it minus, take a minus here. So this is cos A minus sin A. You can write it here. Make it minus common here. 1 minus. So this will be sin A. This will be plus. This will be minus because we have taken the minus common. So this is sin A minus cos A over cos A into sin A over sin A minus cos A and this is whole square. Correct? So this is Sin A minus cos A, this is also sin A minus cos A, so this is neutral, so this is minus sin A over cos A whole square, so this is 10 square A, nothing but the 10 square A. This is the third term, the 10 square A. So middle term is equal to also, this is also equal to 10 square A. Okay, so both the terms is, all terms is 10 square A proved. Correct? Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can put a remark. You just watch the complete video, then only you will get understand the concept and all these things, right? Thank you very much. Okay.